Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the nature, characteristics, objectives, and requirements of teaching. We will also discuss the essential qualities of both teachers and students. So, let's get started. Teaching serves as a facilitator of learning, creating an interactive environment between the teacher and the student. It provides valuable information and fosters the development of values, enhancing knowledge and understanding. Teaching is both an art and a science. It requires the teacher to be friendly, cooperative, and organized in guiding the learning process. It is a dynamic, social, and humane endeavor, taking into account the individual needs and progress of each student. Teaching is a progressive, diagnostic, and remedial process. It is interactive, involving specialized tasks such as training, instructions, and conditioning. It can be analyzed, assessed, and provide feedback for further improvement. The ultimate objective of teaching is to bring about desired changes in students. It helps individuals understand reality, shape their behavior and conduct, build knowledge, and improve their learning skills. It also develops thinking power and the ability to undertake constructive tasks, making students effective members of society. To ensure effective teaching, certain basic requirements must be met. The teacher acts as the independent variable, possessing mastery over the subject and being accountable, dedicated, and determined in their work. The student, as the dependent variable, should have readiness and desire to learn, a good attitude, academic skills, self-discipline, and an understanding of concepts rather than just memorization. The teaching-learning environment serves as the intervening variable, providing a conducive space for effective education to take place. It should encourage engagement, interaction, and active participation. Let's now focus on the qualities of a good teacher. A teacher should have a strong command of the subject matter, being knowledgeable and well-prepared. They should be accountable, valuing hard work and ethics. Dedication, determination, and a caring, compassionate attitude towards students are essential. Teachers should also be adaptable, empathetic, engaging, evolving, well-organized, patient, kind, trustworthy, inspirational, forgiving, and fearless. Maintaining a joyful demeanor, enthusiasm, and excitement helps create an enjoyable learning environment. Similarly, students should possess certain qualities to maximize their learning potential. Readiness to learn, a desire for knowledge, a positive attitude, academic skills, self-discipline, understanding concepts, perceptiveness, and the absence of anger and jealousy contribute to effective learning. It's important to note that youth learners and adult learners have different characteristics. Youth learners are more dependent and result-oriented, while adult learners tend to be independent, future-oriented, self-directed, and goal-oriented. Adult learners bring their life experiences into the learning process. Teaching is a noble profession that requires the collaboration and commitment of both teachers and students. When teachers possess the qualities necessary for effective instruction and students exhibit the willingness and desire to learn, the educational journey becomes a fruitful and enriching experience. And that concludes our video on the nature, characteristics, objectives, and requirements of teaching. We hope you found this information insightful and applicable to your own educational journey. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.